तो नमस्कार। मैं आज से एक नया शुरू कर रहा हूँ। इस न्यूज़पेपर का नाम है द हिंदू। मैं द हिंदू के सभी पेज का हेडलाइन आपको पढ़ के सुनाने वाला हूँ। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। अमित कैबिनेट reshuffle Bhuj 8 states get new governors. Will accept any decision taken by Congress chief Punjab CM. GST move up in June falls below 1 lakh crore. Delhi HC ref Twitter over officer posting. Mathura courts reject bail plea of Kapan. Release Bhima Karijan case exude UN body. Leaders urge COVID to act on Hariswamy death. Helmets make way for wrap around safety. Maharashtra cabinet bills to amend Central's Firms law. दूसरा पेज. Maliwal and her team get another term for 3 years. Crimes against women saw over 63% rise in 2021 so far. Kashmir Gate Metro gets India first FASTag based parking facility. Due gets over 1,000 applications from foreign students. 42-year-old held for dubbing 7% of over 10 crore boy posing as IAS officer. Boy dies 4 hurt after drug rams into wall. Wife and son of Air Force officer killed. 2 arrested for killing friend in Sarita Vihar. तीसरा, Relief scheme for COVID victims Kin launched. 1,500 farmers at Tikri border get the jam. Number of COVID-19 death breaches 25,000 mark in capital. Police get more time to prove charge sheet leak. Prove actual number of COVID deaths. Save us from demolition. Khori Basti resident from joint action panel to check crowd traders. E-waste disposal LG seek means to integrate unorganized sector. चौथा, give financial aid to COVID-19 victims skin up. Rajasthan cabinet expansion a work in progress says McCain. Rising agri demand for forest power curb on industrial unit in Punjab. Panel on Naga issue to meet on July 9. Odisha fears vaccine stock out. Spurt in chain snatching a matter of grave concern. पाँचवा, Kerala retains curb in some districts. Car owned by minister son he hits and kill farmer. Have you seen it? Twitter can control post. Trafficking bid foiled. 28 children rescued. Maharashtra tablets amendment to Central Farm Law. Prove order into urged phone tapping in 2016-17. Maharashtra recoveries surprise fresh case. Active tally drop below 1.5 lakh. Fresh string on federalism as a new politics, a death foretold. Venezuela's reflection on the Carbo culture genocide. 7. Seeking a paradigm shift in mental health care, unpacking Chin's game plan. Vaccines send a wrong signal. 8. Release Bhima Korizan case excused UN body. Bengal pass resolution to set up council. Super censorship MPs panel Gill ministry. IT rules central ask Supreme Court to transfer pleas to itself. Will accept any decision by Congress Chief Amrinder. Tender for 10 counter drone system flawed. UN cabinet is super likely today. House of Dalit village chief damaged. GST move up in June falls below 1 lakh crore. Negative of PK funds its way to NFAI vaults. Delhi Supreme Court wrapped Twitter over officer posting. Cross-border espionage network buzzed police. Tele-law service empowering voiceless. 9. Leaders urge COVID to act on February Swami death. A long struggle for medical fail. 10 accused at Taloja to go on hunger strike. Kashmir parties express unease, cheering Brits at possible cabinet entry for Paras. Modi greets Dalai Lama on 86th birthday. 10. Health officer flag luxury during travel. CBSE to make surprise visits to school preparing result. Supreme Court comes to the aid for those in mental health introduction. About 16,000 ventilator yet to be installed. Postponed JEE mains season to be conducted from July 20. Consultants remain open in Kandahar, Mazar, India. Fresh plea filed in Supreme Court on same-sex marriage. 11. US left Afghan airbase without notice. G-Reply border command leadership. 14 years jail for Belarus Viktor Babariko. Wreckage of Russian plan found. Israel PM of suffers defeat over Arab family unification ban. UK court equals 1972 conviction of teen black men. Ethiopia resumes filling disputed dam. 12. Oil source multi-year highs after OPEC talks collapse. India bond yields spike. Curve surprise. Unconceivable. Adani conduct job adversary. Type industry to see 13-15 growth in February. 22. Domestic air passenger grip 42 from May. All to stop operation at units in July. Chin tights oversight of firm list office set to hear PNSF car deal next week. The 4,000 could change my life. Nobel Riches Champions is cause. An elephant walked into the oval and attached itself to history. 13. Sabalenka and Pliskova power throw set up semi-final date. Defensive solid England take on the resilient Denmark. Brazil in final again. Hardik owing to a very good sign. Kumar. Virus force England to pick new team. COVID not to travel with India team of Olympic. Sakhi opined about India best chance at Tokyo. Anand Kashyap duel set to resume. Work ecosystem being reshaped by digital transformation. Key work trend from the latest LinkedIn data. जय हिंद जय भारत।